So is Kaspa finally getting ready to explode? The price is up today, so I want to get into that in today's video. What we do know right now is that a lot of haters are still paying very close attention to this coin. They're still watching the Kaspa videos because they are just waiting to FOMO. Now, by the way, if you do see a hater in the comment section, just type or just respond to them, LOL, I found one, so that we can all have a good laugh. Anyways, now I'm about to get into the Kaspa video. But first, for anyone looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first-time deposits, extra bonuses of up to $10,000, and they've been around for 13 years. Link will be in my description down below. Requires no VPN, no KYC. All right, there's also going to be a link to my Patreon if you want to check that out, find some exclusive content over there, and a link to Trade Assist, which is a great crypto indicator, let you know when's a good time to buy and sell crypto. But let's get into the video. First, let's take a look at the overall crypto market and see how things are looking here. Things are looking great. It's a green day in the market. Absolutely fantastic. This is exactly what we want to see. Our investments are moving in the right direction, which is great, right? If we take a look though at the Bitcoin dominance continues to go up. Like it's at 58.2%. Like this thing is going to hit 60% soon. You know, it's just absolutely ridiculous. But that is okay as long as you're in the right place and as long as you know the difference between a long-term investment and a short-term investment. See, the haters, they have only a short-term mindset, and that's why they're only focused on the short-term coins in crypto. But as real investors, you have to have your short-term plays and your long-term plays. So while your long-term plays aren't doing anything, you have other coins that's going to have your portfolio going up in the meantime. Like for me, Kaspa is my long-term play. But remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. I can always be wrong. I could be lying. So make sure you guys do your own research. But Kaspa is a long-term play for me. And I have other short-term plays that has made me pretty good returns in the space so far this bull run. All right. But yeah, let's get into some news that I came across for Kaspa, which is just the beginning of more to come, you know, for the remainder of 2025. So what I came across was this here that was posted on X, and this person said once again comes in at #1 most bullish sentiment on CoinMarketCap. Everybody knows what comes next, and what you see here, you see Kaspa sitting at #1 as the most bullish sentiment. I definitely think that people are going to seriously regret not getting in on Kaspa, because once the news dropped that it gets that Binance listing and, you know, smart contracts and all that type of fun stuff, people will be having ultimate FOMO. And this is why people that don't like Kaspa continues to watch Kaspa videos, because they're looking for that piece of news so that they can FOMO in at the very peak. Once Kaspa is at $1, that's when they're going to FOMO in, because they're not going to get that opportunity to buy Kaspa where the price is at right now at 13 cents. That opportunity will be long gone because they'll be fast asleep while that Binance listing gets dropped. Kaspa's price skyrockets. They're going to wake up. They're going to see the price. Their jaw's going to be on the floor, and then they're potentially going to want to FOMO in. Again, this is just what I think. Make sure you guys invest safe when it comes to Kaspa or any other coin. Don't let me get you all hyped up, because like I said, I definitely could be wrong here. All right, so if you're going to get hyped up about Kaspa, make sure you get hyped up because you did your own research, and I am not your research. I'm just a person on the internet that's talking about Kaspa because I like Kaspa. Just because I like it doesn't mean that you need to like it as well. But if we come here and we check out CoinMarketCap and we see the price action on the day, we are up over 11% on the day in the last 24 hours, right? Kaspa is sitting at 13 cents. So 0.1335, which is great. It still is consolidating between the range that it's been trading within for the longest period of time. But if we check out the daily volume, the volume is up 42%. And some of you or some people might look at them like, okay, well, the overall crypto market is up, so obviously the volume and everything is in the entire space is going to be up. And that is definitely not true, not necessarily, because there are some coins that is down, and those are the coins that's got just bad fundamentals. They're just a bad project to begin with, and that's why those coins are down, a lot of those coins, right? But when you have a solid project that's got a lot of hype around it, a cult-like community, this thing just consolidates and it has a solid floor of 10 cents. And I talk about this all the time. When you're getting into certain coins in crypto, majority of people, majority of investors, because there's a lot of new people in the space, get in, they don't know where they're buying these coins at. They get wrecked because they're buying these coins at the all-time high. Kaspa has been trading within this area for like over a year now. All right, and I say that once this thing decides to move, it's going to move, and I think it's going to be parabolic. That's what I think is going to happen, right? But of course, I can always be wrong. But considering that we know where the floor price is, that's okay for me. You know, some people still is running around saying, oh, Kaspa already had its bull run. But again, how long ago was that? Over a year, maybe like a year and a half at this point. Okay, that was a very long time ago where Kaspa actually exploded. So how long are we going to continue to say the same old stuff? Oh, Kaspa already have its bull run. What about 2 years from now? Are you still going to say Kaspa already had its bull run? Because there are certain coins that still going up, and they've been going up for the last year and a half, 2 years, 3 years. You take a look at some of the percentages. You take a look at like Pepe, which is a meme coin, obviously, but that thing continued to go up and up and up, and the amount of percentages that it's up, people can't even read that. People can't even read those numbers, right? But anyways, I'm extremely bullish on Kaspa still, and I'm still holding, and I'm just waiting patiently. And again, I have coins in my portfolio that's made me returns while Kaspa just trades sideways. I'm okay with having both. I'm okay being a short-term swing trader and be a long-term investor, as long as I know what I hold. I've done my research, I know what I hold, and this is why I continue to make daily Kaspa videos. All right, now if we take a look here at the indicator, we are still in this bullish momentum. What is this, the daily time frame that I'm on? Look at all these bullish momentums that was fired on Kaspa, and that's because the indicator know what's potentially left to come, and that is a parabolic run where Kaspa breaks its all-time highs, and then the all-time high of 20 cents ends up acting as a support level, and people are going to wish that they got Kaspa at 13 cents. And you're going to hear a lot of people running around saying that they got Kaspa when it was 10 cents, 13 cents. They're going to act like they did, but they didn't. You know, it's just the way that things go. Everyone is bullish when a coin is moving, but when a coin is trading sideways, they act like it's the worst coin in the world. And I've said this multiple times. You think about XRP. Many people weren't talking about XRP, but they were running around saying XRP is a scam. And now all of a sudden XRP is sitting at spot number 3 on CoinMarketCap. Now they want to act like XRP is the greatest thing on planet Earth and pretend like they actually did get in on XRP at 50 cents, which they definitely did not. And we're going to see the same thing happen here for Kaspa. So I am waiting patiently for that day to come so that we can all have a good laugh. And then you're going to be checking the comment section, not just on my Kaspa videos, on other people's Kaspa videos as well. And you're not going to see any hate comments. You will not see any hate comments. I can definitely guarantee you that much, because at that point they have nothing left to say because the coin is pumping. People are very interesting, very, very interesting. They only want to talk when the coin is down, but when the coin is up, they act like they're geniuses and they've been involved in that coin. It's just the way the crypto space works. I've been in this for a few years. I know how people act. I know the ultimate FOMO that people can easily catch once a coin starts to rally, because there's this one person, I'm not going to say the name, they hated on XRP for the longest time, but once XRP broke above, I think it was like $1.60, $1.80, all of a sudden they said they bought XRP. Absolutely hilarious. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you did enjoy this video. Remember, do your own research. Don't let me get you all hyped up, all right? But anyways, take care.